mean SB19 is not mainstream. The evidence suggests otherwise. A group without broad public reach does not fill the SMDC festival grounds. A group without cultural force does not draw a crowd that can rival the daily turnout of major festival like Lollapalooza or Coachella. SB19 has become a genuine mover in the Philippines music industry, not simply through fandom but through measurable impact. Fans are flying in from overseas just to see them, fulfilling a dream many have followed for years. Their concerts are not isolated entertainment events. They create economic ripples. Hotels and condo units near the venue were sold out. Restaurants extended operations, some staying open around the clock to serve concert goers. That is what mainstream influence look like, not only in charts and headlines, but in tourism, commerce, and the life of a city. To call SB19 anything less than mainstream ignores what is happening in plain sight. This is not a niche act sustained by a small, insular audience. This is a cultural force drawing mass attendance, international travel, and local economic activity. If that does not qualify as mainstream, the world has lost its meaning. Actually, matapos nga ang concert or success ng concert ng SB19 ay kanya-kanya na nga po ang media ng pasiklab ng kanilang mga update sa social media. Well, kita naman po ang nasabi nga pong successful concert ng SB19. At hindi na nga po maiwasan na talagang ito ay i-broadcast ng malalaking network. Isa na dyan ang ABS-CBN na nagbahagi ng kanilang kasiyahan sa nasabi nga pong napakalaking crowd na nagpunta sa SMDC. Ang mga fans ng SB19 na talaga namang hindi natitinag sa pagsuporta sa Mahalima. Mula sa ABS-CBN, sinabi nilang wakas at simula SB19 raises the bar for concert experiences with biggest show yet. At tinatayang 100,000 katao ang nag-participate sa nasabing concert. Well, yan po ang SB19 na nagkaroon ng sariling festival sa Pilipinas. At sabi nga, ang mga foreigner na ang umuwi dito para panuurin ang Mahalima. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Showbiz Now.